Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'll show you how to resize image in Paint on Windows 10, so you can quickly adjust image size without installing any extra software. Step 1. Right-click on the image you want to resize, then choose Open With and click on Paint. This is important because Paint is a built-in Windows tool that lets you edit images easily without any setup. Step 2. Once the image opens in Paint, go to the top menu and click the Resize option under the Home tab. This option is specifically designed to change image dimensions quickly and accurately. Step 3. In the Resize window, select either percentage or pixels depending on how you want to resize the image. Enter the new width or height and make sure Maintain Aspect Ratio is checked so the image does not stretch or lose quality. Step 4. After entering the desired size, click OK to apply the changes to the image. This step confirms your settings and instantly resizes the picture on the screen. Step 5. Click on File, then choose Save or Save As. Select your preferred location and save the resized image. Saving ensures your resized image is stored properly and ready to use anywhere you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.